Unveiling the success of Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, TSMC, a leading force in the chip industry. In the intricate landscape of semiconductor manufacturing, one name stands tall, driving innovation and redefining the benchmarks of excellence: Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, TSMC. Renowned as the world's largest chipmaker, TSMC has cemented its position as a pivotal player, catering to the insatiable demand for processing chips across various industries, including tech giants like Apple, AAPL, and NVIDIA. The recent revelation of a staggering 9% surge in TSMC's first quarter net profit underscores not only its financial prowess but also its indispensable role in powering cutting-edge technologies. 1. Navigating TSMC's path to dominance. TSMC's ascent to dominance didn't occur overnight. Founded in 1987, the company embarked on a journey fueled by innovation, resilience, and unwavering commitment to excellence. Its relentless pursuit of technological advancements propelled it to the forefront of the semiconductor industry, earning accolades and admiration from peers and stakeholders alike. 2. The backbone of technological advancement. At the heart of TSMC's success lies its unwavering focus on delivering state-of-the-art chips that fuel the digital revolution. With a relentless pursuit of excellence and a customer-centric approach, TSMC has become synonymous with reliability, scalability, and innovation. Its cutting-edge manufacturing processes enable the production of chips that power a myriad of devices, from smartphones and laptops to sophisticated data centers and autonomous vehicles. 3. Catering to global giants, a testament to quality. TSMC's strategic partnerships with tech behemoths like Apple and NVIDIA underscore its pivotal role in shaping the future of technology. By supplying high-quality processing chips tailored to the specific needs of its partners, TSMC has emerged as a trusted ally in their quest for innovation and differentiation. The seamless integration of TSMC's chips into flagship products further solidifies its position as an indispensable player in the global tech ecosystem. 4. Riding the wave of strong demand. The surge in TSMC's first quarter net profit can be attributed to the unprecedented demand for advanced chips across various industries. As the world transitions towards a digital-first paradigm, the need for high-performance semiconductors has reached new heights. TSMC's ability to meet this surging demand while maintaining unparalleled quality standards underscores its resilience and adaptability in a dynamic market landscape. 5. Navigating challenges and embracing opportunities. Despite its unparalleled success, TSMC isn't immune to challenges. The global semiconductor shortage, exacerbated by geopolitical tensions and supply chain disruptions, poses a formidable obstacle. However, TSMC's proactive measures, including capacity expansions and strategic investments, position it favorably to overcome these challenges and emerge stronger than ever. Conclusion: pioneering the future of semiconductor technology. In conclusion, Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, TSMC, stands as a beacon of innovation and excellence in the semiconductor industry. With its unwavering commitment to quality, relentless pursuit of technological advancements, and strategic partnerships with industry titans, TSMC continues to redefine the boundaries of possibility. As the world embraces a future driven by technology, TSMC remains at the forefront, shaping the destiny of the digital age.